welcome back to my channel. This is Brunette Wig Place and I am Lisa. I am so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and you will get a notification every time I post a new wig related video. So today I am wearing another cute style from the wig company. This is from their Statements line. This particular one is called Fanciful. And I purchased this cute little short style for $29 and I think 88 cents or something like that. Really great bargain, but she is on closeout. So I checked today as of doing this video and there are still some left. So hopefully when I get this posted, there will still be some left. So anyway, super cute style. I saw the style and it reminded me of some of the other styles that I like. One of my favorite styles is Opulence by Gabor, and they are not exactly alike. I'll actually post a picture up here so you can see what Opulence looks like the side view. So you can see they're not exactly alike, but they're very similar. They do have that, they're shorter in the back and they get just a little bit longer towards the front, but not super long, you know, not super graduated or anything. So she's just a really, really cute style. So I wanted to try her and see what she was like. So the color on her is F826, by the way, which I think is the same color that I had in my Rock Me wig. So let me do a turn so you can see her all the way around and then we'll get into her specs and everything. So she is just really, really cute, super lightweight. She actually weighs 2.7 ounces. She's super light and not a lot of permatease. She's very low density, just like I like. So let me show you all the way around. So here's the front, really cute. I like how these ends point towards the chin. I always like that. That looks very chic and very feminine. Here is my right side. Left side. And then back to the front. So really, really cute. I love the way the fibers move. I did have to put just a little spritz of hairspray. She was kind of wanting to face swap, so she may need a little steam, but I don't like to mess around with them a whole much when I do the review because I want you to see, you know, what you're getting pretty much from the get-go. And then, you know, I can make some recommendations as we go throughout the review of some little things you may need to do. But really, really nice. So she has a lace front and she has a mono part. So I'll show you the lace front. The lace front on these Statements wigs are just, they're really nice. I'm very impressed with them. I really love their lace fronts. And then the mono part is good. Very nice. And, you know, she's got good coverage around the ear tabs. She's got a good piece of metal in there. The ear tabs are great. They're staying right in place. Sometimes I found that the ear tabs are a little flimsy on these, but this particular one, they're great. So you'll see when we look at the inside of the cap, very, you know, same cap construction you're used to with other brands. So as far as her measurements, she is 8 inches here in the front. So you can see she is 8 inches sort of all the way across the front. Now, if you wanted to, you could even cut in a bang, you know, easily if that's your thing. So, you know, that's good to know too, and that also would kind of eliminate this flopping in your face a little bit, but it hasn't been too bad. So 8 inches in the front. 5.5 inches from the top, 4.5 inch sides, 1.5 inch back, and then her nape back here is only 1/2 inch. So, you know, that's just the measurement going from the nape down. So 1/2 inch back there. So she's a short cut, but she's, you know, great for when it's warm outside or if you like short hair. She's really cute down, or you can also tuck her behind the ears, and she looks very chic like that too. I really like her tucked behind the ears. So super cute. So let me pop her off. And we can look at the inside of her cap. So like I'm saying, this is cap construction you've seen a lot of more expensive brands. So lace front, and she's got the mono part. It doesn't go clear back to the crown, but it goes back far enough in my opinion. Goes from the ear tab to the ear tab there. I like the way they attach a lot of hair to their ear tabs too, so when you pull it back, you know, you have that option to pull it back. She's got open wefted ear tabs. Open wefting all through the cap. There was a little bit of closed lace up here, but not, I mean, I'm not feeling a lot of permatease. There may be a slight amount there, but not very much. And then she does have a bit of an extended nape. She has an extended nape, I should say. Open wefted, and she has Velcro closures. And on my petite head, I did have to pull these in a little bit. So just for you smaller head ladies or guys, just know that I did have to take her up, but then she's very comfortable. I don't have a bunch of bulk in the back or up on the top or anything like that. So I think she is petite and average head friendly. So super, super cute. I just like the way she kind of flips and flops everywhere when you put her on. I just love her movement. She's super, super cute. So I didn't cover this color. I can't talk. This is F826, which they describe as a warm brown with a blonde highlight, which is very accurate. So you can see the highlight in there, but it's very subtle. It's well done. It's very pretty. Really, really cute. So I love the cut. I love the way it's kind of wedged back here and then a little bit longer in the front without being too long so that it's out of my, you know, comfort zone, like the severe A-line kind of thing, you know. So really, really cute. And with this lace front, of course, you know, you can flip it back, you know, push it back, you know, off your forehead as well. So really, really cute. So let's take her outside and we will look at the color out. Okay, so I'm outside and I'm under my patio cover with this F826 from the Wig Company. So you can see that highlight. It's really, really pretty. But it just, you know, is very nicely done. I can step out here. It's been kind of raining, but I think it's stopped now. Yes, no rain. I'll get out here in the light, but it is overcast today. I've got a little crisscross going at the front there, but so you can see, really, really cute. I'll show you the top there. Show you the lace front in the natural light. She's a great deal for 29 bucks. Okay, so as you can see, that color was very pretty out there in the natural light. So I do want to show you, you know, like I said a little bit earlier, she is kind of wanting to flop in the face. Now, if you had your natural hair cut like this, it would do the same thing. So that's not something to be alarmed by or anything. Like I said, you could cut a bang, or you could put some styling cream in there, or maybe even go in with some steam if you just wanted to make sure that it always kind of stayed back like that. But it doesn't really bother me. I think it looks very natural. It is gonna be something that I'm probably gonna be tucking behind my ear if I'm looking down or something like that, but it's not terrible, you know, it's very natural. These fibers are super light and airy, and they are not too shiny. You know, they really do mimic human hair quite nicely. So, you know, I'm gonna kind of let her be and see how she does, and you know, not worry too much about putting steam on her, but that is an option. Or like I said, cutting a bang or something like that. Or you could just wear her. Sometimes I can wear them clipped back for a while. In fact, I'll show you that. I've got a clip right here. That's one way that she looks really cute like that. You know, I can wear it clipped back a few times and the fibers kind of start to train back like that. So she looks really cute like that. She also, like I said, looks super cute tucked behind the ears. And then when you tuck her behind the ears, I can show you, she's great with glasses. She's just super, I mean, she's thin. Like I said, she's only 2.7 ounces, and she's got those thin ear tabs that are the open wefted ear tabs. So glasses are just great. Glasses up on your head are great, you know. Just really, really easy with the glasses, which I love. So she's also super cute, of course, with the beloved headband. I love putting headbands on wigs now. I think they look so cute like that. So she looks really, really cute like that. Like I've got, okay. Sometimes I gotta glance in the mirror real quick. So really, really cute. So, you know, you do have some styling options. Whoops, I'm pulling her off. You could put, you know, like a scarf, you know, tie a scarf into her too. That would be really cute. I have a hat here. Let's see what she looks like with a hat. It's, you know, the warmer months are coming. Oh, she's super cute with a hat. One thing that sometimes with a hat though that you have to watch out is like your ear does weird things. So maybe behind the ears with that, I don't know. Anyway, she looks cute with a hat, so, you know. But anyway, so she's, you know, she's just really versatile. She just looks like you got a cute little, you know, angled bob almost a pixie, you know, cut. So she's just super, super cute. I'm really happy, like I said, with the fibers, the movement, the cap is super comfortable, it's super lightweight. So really, really a cute piece. So this has been Fanciful from the Wig Company that I purchased with my own funds. Like I said, $29, great price. So I will put a link below where you can find her on their page. And until next time, I thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.